Check out this 2009 Nissan Maxima. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.